Meet Celeste Bright, a popular social media influencer, model, and fitness enthusiast from the United States. Celeste was born in San Diego, California, on June 14, 1994, and gained popularity on social media platforms like Instagram, where she has over 1.3 million followers. Her stunning looks and fitness regime have garnered a lot of attention from her followers, and she has worked with several well-known brands such as Puma, Guess, and Revolve. Celeste's modeling career has taken her to places and has been featured in several fashion campaigns. In addition to her modeling career, Celeste is also a fitness coach and shares her workout routines and diet tips with her followers. Celeste's fitness coaching videos are popular among her followers, and she often encourages them to live a healthy lifestyle. Apart from her modeling and fitness career, Celeste is also a philanthropist and has worked with several nonprofit organizations to raise awareness and funds for various causes. Celeste has a soft spot for animals and has worked with several animal welfare organizations. Celeste's dedication to her followers, fitness regime, and philanthropy has made her an inspiration to many. She has 1.31 million followers on her Instagram. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Trying not to let go of my pride, but every time you come back it's like falling down these lies again. This